Hey, Ojaiilbreakz here. I'm going to show you how to set up the Acier theme. This is very easy. The way I'm going to do it is going to be very easy for you. So just go step by step with me. Alright, first what you're going to do is you're going to go to Cydia. And you're going to download a couple of things. I will put them in the description. Alright, so you're going to go to search and you're going to get Iconoclasm. Right there, you can get the cracked version, or yeah. So I'll put the source in the description. So once you're done getting that from ZCLies or Sinful iPhone Repo, the next thing you're gonna want to get is called Infinidoc. So Infinidoc cracked, you want to get Sinful iPhone Repo. Put that in the description. Third thing you want to get is called Gridlock. Now this is way different. Like, I found a way that's way easier to do this. Gridlock. Oh, whoops. So what this does is allow you to place icons wherever on your springboard. So you don't need to use iBlank or blank null. Alright, so the next thing you're going to want is called iTransform to iPod. This allows for, if you have a iPod Touch, this allows you to have the iPod icon instead of music and video. So your music and videos will be gone and you'll have the iPod icon. Alright, so once you're done with that, you're going to have to go to General. Oh yeah, and you need to get categories. I'll show you that after this. So you're going to go to General, and you're going to go to Iconoclasm, and you're going to put 5x4. Alright, once you're done with that, go to Infinidoc, and put icons per page, put 5. Alright, and you're going to want weather icon if you want, your choice. Alright, so I'm just going to show you 2 more things that you will need. The first thing you're going to need is spring jumps. Spring jumps. So yeah, and then the last thing you're going to need is called categories. Categories. Alright, once you're done downloading all of those things, make sure you have all of them. You're going to go to spring jumps. And you're going to go to jump icons, and you're going to hide 5, 6, 7, 8. And you should have 5. You should have page 0, page 1, page 2, page 3, page 4. And then once you're done with that, you put page 0, page 1, page 2, page 2, page whatever, you know what I mean, at the bottom. So this allows you to have, you can jump to your pages. Oh, sorry. Alright. Once you're done with that, you're going to go to categories. This is what it should look like when you enter it. And you're gonna enter one that is called apps. That has all your apps and all your games. Apps and games. Now, you're probably wondering why I have messages and phone. So, in other videos you probably watched, you probably need to rename some icons, which does not work for the iPod Touch. If you have an iPhone, you do not have to add a category called messages and phone. So you're just gonna add messages, and you're gonna put whatever you want in there. You don't even have to put anything in there. And you're gonna put phone, whatever you want in there. You can have nothing. All right. Once you're done with that, okay. The things that you do not want to put in a folder is contacts, mail, photos, clock, Safari, and categories, apps, the apps folder, iTunes, Winterboard, calendar, and your iPod icon. And settings, games, YouTube, notes, weather, and the phone folder. And calculator, your camera. Oh yeah, and if you have an iPhone 3G or an iPhone 2G, you're going to have to also add a category called camera. Alright? So, once you're done with that, you just have to name it camera. You don't have to, because it's not a folder that is called camera. You just have to name it there. And maps, Cydia, voice memos, and your message icon. So, the two phone ones. But one has to be, the two phone folders, one has to be called messages, one has to be called phone. I'll make a list about that right after this. Alright, so once you're done putting your stuff in categories and folders and stuff, what you're going to do is you're going to set it up just like mine. You're going to put contacts, space. See, I don't have blank no long because I have Gridlock, so I can put them wherever. So I can put this one over here. So you do that. You'll just put it like in order like that. I'll just keep it for 5 seconds. Alright, so the second page is apps, apps folder, iTunes, and Winterboard, calendar, and iPod. I'm going to leave that for 5 seconds. Alright, so the next page you're going to have settings, games, YouTube, notes, weather, and your phone. Your phone folder or your message folder, any one. So once you're done with that, leave that for 5 seconds. Once you're done with that, your second page is going to have calculator, camera, maps, Cydia, voice memos, and phone. Alright, so once you're done with that, you're done mainly. All you have to do is go to Cydia. Oops. Go to Cydia, and you're going to type in Acier theme. It should be by ZotTD. And what you're going to do is there's going to be two Acier. You're going to see which one has more megabytes, and you get the one with the most. And it's going to say return to Cydia, and you're just going to exit, and you're going to go to your Winterboard, and you're going to click on Acier, and then it'll reboot. Okay, once you're done with that, you're just gonna type in your password if you have one, and this is what it's gonna look like. So you're gonna have this is what it's gonna look like. If you've done it right, this is what it's gonna look like. So you got your Safari, your iPod, your phone, and your messages. Alright? So if you have any problems with this, just comment and I will fix them. Thank you. Please subscribe. Thanks.